Hello and welcome to a new practice session for IIT JAM 2022. In this video, we'll focus on the new topics and practice some questions from the new topics for IIT JAM 2022. Let me remind you, all the topics in brown here are newly added in IIT JAM 2022 syllabus. Well, they are not really new because these kind of topics were previously incorporated in IIT JAM BL syllabus. So check out the IIT JAM BL paper to get an idea about what to look for or what to expect. Now, there is a lot of new topics and you need to cover all of them in very short time. And if you're thinking that how to do that, you are not alone in this journey because Unacademy will get you covered. It's a one-stop solution for all the problems of students. So it has online lectures, notes, doubt clearing sessions, online test, a full-on package for your preparation journey. Right now, the prices are all-time low because in 2022 they have announced a 22% discount on Unacademy subscription if you take it within 5 January. So this is super important. If you take within 5th January, you would get a 22% discount. You can use my code AP10 to get a 22% discount right now. So download the app, register right now. This is the correct time. Now, if you open their price page, it would look like this. So there would be 24 month, 12 months. So obviously 24 or 12 month is a long term plan, and it's always recommended for people who are in second year or first year of their BSc courses. So anyway, you can apply the referral code in the bottom of your screen, as you can see here. If you apply the referral code AP10, as you can see here in the screen, the prices would drop to 22% discount. And right now you can see that in the screen, a 24-month subscription if you are taking, you are only paying 585 rupees per month. That's super cheap, right? And totally affordable given on the amount of things that you are getting back from Unacademy app. This is super useful. So all the links are provided in the description. Click on the links to register right now. Okay, let's get back to the questions. Read the statements regarding cell strain and choose the correct ones. So all the questions regarding cell culture and cell biology is provided in the I button. You can use those videos for quick revision. Statement 1 says a cell strain is a subpopulation of cell line that has been positively selected for culture by cloning or some other method. Statement 2 says a cell strain will often undergo additional genetic changes since the initiation of the parental line. The options are both the statements are incorrect, both the statements are correct. Statement 1 is correct but 2 is incorrect. Statement 2 is correct but 1 is incorrect. If you have guessed it properly and you know the answer, it would be option B. Both of these statements are correct. Question 2. It's again from cell culture. So this question says cell culture conditions vary widely for each cell type, but the general composition which are really important for growth are, so what are the conditions? Conditions 1 is substrate of the medium that supplies essential nutrients, amino acids, carbohydrate, vitamins, minerals, etc. Second is like growth factors. Third is growth hormone. Fourth is gases. And fifth, a regulated physiochemical environment like pH, osmotic pressure, temperature. So the answer says all of these conditions are necessary. 1, 2 and 5 are necessary. 1, 3, 4, 5 are necessary. None of the options are correct. So if you guessed correctly, the correct option would be all of these conditions that are mentioned here are necessary for an optimal growth of any kind of cells. There might be specific requirement, but these are the minimal requirements. So in order to understand more about cell culture media or cell culture conditions, click on the I button. Question 3 is from kind of evolution. A novel virus killed most of the kangaroo population in Australia. So it led to drop in kangaroo population from 1000 to 100. In the effort of helping the conservation of this species, scientists in Australia caught 60 of the remaining kangaroos and used them to start a new population in a secured national park in an island. So, which of the following statements would actually describe the situation of this new population? The new population would be genetically less diverse. The new population is in the risk of inbred depression. Probability of having a genetic drift is high in case of this population. All the above are possible. So if you learn the concept of genetic drift, bottleneck, all these things, then you know that all these possibilities are correct. Question number 4. Identify the incorrect statement from the following. Pyramids of number in an ecosystem can be either upright or inverted, depending on the type of ecosystem. Pyramid of energy shows that primary producers store highest quantity of energy, then it decreases at each level in the food chain of the ecosystem. The pyramid of biomass seen in the pond ecosystem may be inverted. The pyramid of energy is inverted in case of desert ecosystem. So this is from ecology, and this requires information and knowledge from class 12 level NCERT book. So if you have guessed it correctly, the correct answer would be the last option, because pyramid of energy could never be inverted. Question number 5. This is from developmental biology part, which is again a new addition. If you want to learn more about developmental biology, which was not previously there in IIT JAM, so I'm taking new classes. These are free to all. These are special classes. You can get all the description, all the links in the description, so you can watch those and revise quickly. Fertilization of sperm and ovum takes place in ampulla and isthmus junction, isthmus and fimbria junction, fimbria and oviduct, uterus. The correct answer would be ampulla isthmus junction. So the last question is for you. It's again from developmental biology. The extra embryonic structure that provides nutrition to the embryo is chorion, placenta, amnion, or umbilicus. So let me know the answer in comment, and I can see the T of HE is gone, so pardon for that mistake. Anyway, if you like this video, give it a quick thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.